just to start again. Morning light shines the lines on my face, but I've learned to move at a kind of peace. The plans I made didn't all come true. Some roads bent, some outgrew. Still I found in a changing view. What stays with you is what you choose. We're just a walking this road, step by step in time. Little sparks in a grand design. Every year brings a clearer sign. There's quiet grace in another sunrise. No need to race what we can't control. Every mile shapes us heart and soul. And I believe as the days unfold, there's a kind of strength and grow you know. There was a time when I chased every mile. Now I linger just to dance a while. Windows down in the softer song. Well, let the moment carry me along. Used to think the best was gone too fast, like the joy tied to a faded past. But the truth is always showing through. Some of the best times come later on for you. We'll just walk in this road, step by step in time. Little sparks of a grand design. Every year brings a softer view of the things that really matter to you. Through the turns and the highs and the lows, there's a peace in the heart that knows. And I see as the days unfold, there's a quiet gift and girl you know. I won't forget where I've been before. Every lesson opened up a door. Time moves on and it won't slow down. But there's a beauty waiting all around. We're just walking this road, step by step in time. Little spark in a grand design. And the more that I live and learn, the more I see what it's truly yours. No need to feel what I can't control. Every year has heart and soul. And I know as the days unfold, there's nothing wrong.